In this video, we're going to look at how to solve problems involving surface area of 3D shapes. Now, in this video, we'll be focusing on 3D shapes like cone, sphere, and cylinder. Alright, so after going through this video, you know how to find the surface area of these basic 3D shapes under geometry. So ensure you stay at the very end of the video. As usual, I'm giving you guys a practice maths question at the end of the video to test your knowledge on this. Okay, having known that, let's go into the details of the video. Let me get a diagram now to use it to show you how the shape of a cone, cylinder, and sphere looks like and how you can find the surface area, the various formulas. All right, let's get the diagram. Okay guys, so these are the diagrams to illustrate what we're trying to explain. Now let's begin by knowing the various or different parts of a 3D shape. All right, because you might be asked in your exam to find the number of vertices, which is the plural of vertex, faces, and edges of a 3D shape in your exam. All right, so when you ask such question, all you simply have to do is to count them and don't forget the hidden ones. All right, just like in this shape you have here, these arrows points at where the face is, the edge is, and the vertex is. All right, so this is where you can find the vertex of a 3D shape. This is where the edge is, and this is where you can find the face of a 3D shape. All right, so take note of these parts of a 3D shape: face, edge, and vertex. Very important. Now, this is how the shape of a cylinder looks like. This is how the shape of a cone looks like, and this is how the shape of a sphere looks like. All right, so basically in this video we focus on cylinder, cone, and sphere, their surface area. All right, so the surface area of a cylinder is this 2 pi r h, all right, plus 2 pi r square, where the h is the height. Now the surface area of a cone is pi r l plus pi r square, where the l is the slant height. Okay, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, so having known these basic formulas of calculating surface area of a cone, cylinder, and sphere, all right, so let's go ahead and look at a practice math question on this and see how we can apply this formula to them and figure them out. All right, so let's wipe this. Okay guys, so let's look at this question. It says find the exact surface area of a hemisphere with radius 4 cm. All right, as we all know, the surface area of a hemisphere is 4 pi r square. And note that a hemisphere is half a sphere. All right, so the surface area of a hemisphere will be 4 pi r square over 2, which will give us what, 2 pi r square. And in this question, our radius is what, 4 cm. Okay, so when we plug it here in this form, we're going to have 2 times pi times 4 times 4. Okay, so when you punch in the calculator, 4 times 4, and when you, let's do it here, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 2, our answer will be what, 32 pi cm square. All right, so that will be the answer to this question. Note again that when you're asked to find the exact value of a something, you should leave your answer in terms of pi. All right, so that's why our answer has to be in pi, because we have to find the exact surface area. When you hear the word exact, your answer should be in what, in pi. Now, for this question, a hemisphere, the diagram, let me just sketch it here. So the hemisphere of a sphere will be like this. Now the hemisphere, which is half of a sphere, will be like this. Alright, diagram will be like this. Alright, this is just a sketching. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Okay, now we have our point here. This is where our radius is 4 cm. Alright, so this is a midpoint, this is the radius. Okay, so this is typically how the shape will look like. Okay, so let's wipe this now and let me give you guys a part math question to test your knowledge on this topic, and after you can call it a class. Let's wipe this. Okay guys, now look at this question. It says the surface area of a cone with radius 5 cm is 125 pi cm square. Find the slant height L of the cone. Alright, so feel free to pause this video and see if you can figure this out. Now let me give you the surface area of a cone to help you out. So this is the formula you apply: pi RL, right, plus pi r square equals the surface area of a cone. Alright, so feel free to pause this video and apply this formula and see what you're going to get. Okay, let's do it together now. This question is very simple. Now we have the surface area SA of a cone to be 125 pi cm square, and we have the radius to be 5 cm, and we're looking for the length. Alright, so all you have to do is to plug in this value in this formula and make length the subject formula. So when you do it, you're going to have, okay, pi, our radius is 5 times length plus pi our times 5 times 5 equals what? 125 pi. Okay, when you break this down, you're going to have 5 pi L plus 25 pi equals 125 pi. Okay, now to make L the subject formula, firstly, this 25 pi cancelled by the equality sign, change to negative. So you're going to have 5 pi L equals what? 125 pi minus 25 pi. Alright, 125 pi minus 25 pi will give us 100 pi. Now, to make L the subject formula, divide both sides by 5 pi. Okay, 5 pi. So this will cancel this pi, cancel this pi. So 5 into 100 give us what? Okay, 20. 100 divided by 5 give us what? 20. That will be the length. 20 was cm. Okay, that will be the slant height. It's as simple as that, guys. Alright, so let's call it a class here. Hope you learned something interesting from this video involving surface area of 3D shapes, particularly that of cone, sphere, and cylinder. Alright, now if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of the video below for a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel. So ensure you are subscribed to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. For more videos like this, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. Now, if you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below. I'll ensure to give you a response. Okay, so that's it for this class. Now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.